as district elected councillor for Bubale sub-county electoral area in Rwanda district. Congratulations.
Julius Muchunguzi yabigambo byaba ari mu district ya Kabare kurebuzo kwemermo yo kwandika nko kwer kugenda ari kugamba n'abanyamakuru Muchunguzi yashobora bimwe by'abantu barikwetombe itera
kureba ngo impapura zabo nabo niba kwire bihikire akwa twarebera abanyarwanda bamwe abatandikira kwa enamba zibwire za nini akwa arenda kugihogu agiye no liya so yo wijanyima arakusibemwe ayongeremo XY etarimo so baza mu system hano ya kucekinga bashango tari
Muchunguzi yahabura bebina byo butegeki byona ebero kumanywa mu kitongore kandi binabo kuba kwatere bendera kurebeka ngo bayamba babona barkwenda kuba kwatere bendera okwityano kwereza yo byone birkwetengo mu kitongore okugira ngo bahandikwe
bwecho we are asking those aspirants to make sure that even before you come to the table of the Electoral Commission officials here at the Ruchiko Hall and across the country where the nomination is taking place, take time to check those particulars and make sure that they're correct. And for political parties, you actually even have a higher responsibility of making sure that those people you have given the flag actually succeed in getting nominated.
Muchunguzi yashaba kandi yagira ngo abantu bamwe babaire nibakererwa okuza kwehandikisa mpaka hizo bari hamheru.
The commission wants to send all those that are coming for nominations first. Don't wait for the last day, because Ugandans have a tendency of saying that I still have time, and they all come on Wednesday and crowd the nomination centers across the country. We ask you to use today, to use tomorrow, and so that the last ones should come on Wednesday.
Muchunguzi yashaba abantu bona bahereze kwehandikisa kukoratara amateka g'ekitongore cya Electoral Commission okwetantara kushazibwamo
no kugira ngo mutezwanza mu kutanda hati percent kuza mu makanisa mu makelezia mu maramizo gona mu meziti munateye center akuba umuntu arasa kutwara mu koti okushara okura mu bwa okushazibwa
ati nko kushaba abanyayiganda bona okwababira abo bona barkwenda amateka
umuntu wo kubanza kuba kwata nimwe n'abanyayuganda ako okukwatisa amateka n'ubuzima bwa buri munyarwanda wena mbwenu nisoto nabagambira ngo berinde babe nkabaza wakame abalinda wakame bazora misho berinda abo kuba umuntu utarakwendeza entebe nubaraza kurenta kugura umushanga so ni mwo kubanza konka kaciyo kebyo bururu katirama esimu ezabantu basa kutera batarashashurira kuhayo okwetombwitwa kwenda
ekitongore cy'ebyo bururo bwa hati kirumuni cyandika ombutongore abantu abarkwenda kwetsimbaho ahantebeze byango mu ihanga ryona esabite hingwire kikahendero kwandika abantu abarkwenda kwetsimba nkaba kansara baza district ahamwe na chairman baza district agagasha kwa Jime Emmanuel abwata ya West.